Good evening. I am Brian. Breaking news in Clackamas County is going up all the time. The cost of living, and no one is more concerned about it than Commissioner Shull. One tax that he feels is a particularly bad tax is the corporate activity tax, or CAT tax. That CAT tax taxes gross receipts, not profits. We're gonna hear more about the CAT tax from Commissioner Shull. And remember, you can learn more about Commissioner Shull at www.supportshow.com and on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Now let's hear from Commissioner Shull.
In 2019, the state legislature passed the CAT tax. It is a sleight of hand sales tax. It taxes not profits or income, but gross receipts. So any amount over $1 million is taxed like this. It's $250 plus 0.57% on the amount over $1 million. So if a business did, say, 11 million in gross sales, they would pay $57,000 on the CAT tax. And out of that 11 million in gross sales, their profits could be zero. So the CAT tax is very unfair. And I've been getting many, many complaints from constituents in Clackamas County that this tax has got to go away.